Okay, folks, Rick again. Here's a quick video for you. Hey there, folks, Rick again. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm continuing with the barn restoration videos. In this episode, I tear down what I call the bridge loft. And that was the loft that was built 30 or 40 years ago that went between the two original lofts. And that bridge loft was in the way, so that had to come down. So what I do in the video, I don't recommend trying at home. I didn't want to have to pull a whole bunch of nails out of that loft. Whoever built that must have had stock in a nail company, a nail factory. So what I did is I climbed up on top of the loft with my saw and cut through all the boards in between the joists. So I had to be careful where I stood on the boards so I didn't fall through the cut boards. So watch along and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and thanks for watching.